So I have the video on my timeline. It's better to record in 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second to create slow motion video. Here I have recorded in 60 frames per second, but even if you have recorded in 30 frames, we can fix that using Premiere. For video to look natural, we need at least 24 frames per second. Even if you have 30 frames per second, we can fix it using Premiere, because Premiere can create the frames which are missing. So we can double click here and we can see the video. We can right click on this button and then time remapping and speed. And here we have this bar where we can adjust the speed of the video. I need to reverse this video, so I'm going to right click on this video and speed and duration, and then I'm going to click on this reverse speed button and click OK. So now I have my video in reverse. We have to select some regions where I have to increase and decrease the speed. So for that we need to find the exact spots where we have to apply the speed effects. For that we need to press Ctrl and then we can see this, and we have to click on this video. We can do the same to another position. Then when we get our mouse pointer to this point, we can see this pointer and we can use this to increase or decrease the speed of the clip. So here I'm increasing the clip speed here, and then I'm gonna make this part go in slow motion. And then to make this motion smooth, we can click on these arrows and then drag this. And then we can click one of these markers and then use this button to make it more smoother. Now we have done the time remapping on our video, but this slow motion part doesn't look smooth, so we have to right click on this time interpolation and choose optical flow. And then we can see that our timeline turns red because my PC can't handle this. So we're gonna render it and then play it. For rendering we have to hit enter, and here we have the result. So now the timeline appears green, which means I can play this on my PC. Now here we can see that this slow motion region is now kind of looking smooth because we used optical flow, which means this is basically creating frames in between. This looks much smoother than earlier. Thanks for watching.